Okay, perfect. Esteban, how are things
Yes, sir.
going for you?
Pretty good. To be honest, better than expected. Actually, I never expect to learn this much in this short period of time. And my improvement has been just crazy, to be honest. That I'm pretty like Dojo fan and Dojo for life hashtag and things like that. Because I learned just so much in the last couple of weeks. My hit rate improved like crazy, and the best thing is that now I understand properly what is going on the chart, what is going on with the price. And it just like confirm all the theories that I read before. It just like put in like in real practice and simple way, and it's just being real, like what I post on the group a couple of days ago. The last week I just took 3 trades and I made 70% of account, tier 3 level bounces. That's it. That was enough to end my week. And I was just like so relaxed. The limit orders just sweet on my life. My only issue is that I haven't been able to have enough screen time as I wished. Unfortunately, I think I was talking with Brian before. I'm immigrant in Australia, so I have to accomplish some visa requirements, and my visa requires me to work as a chef. So I have to spend like 50 to 60 hours weekly on a kitchen, which I cannot trade much, unfortunately. So it has been like outside of the charts, like a good amount of time. So that's my only issue. But in the short period of time that I have on my charts has been enough to make like profit and to be consistent in all this process. So this kind of limit orders on EXTs, on the limit after the engulfing candle is just like just changed the whole game for me. Before Dojo, I was like following discovery mode of BFT, and I was quite of happy with that, because it was like slow and steady and easy, and yeah, didn't take much energy to take the trade. But without the strategy mode, the trades that I had to take, that was just too much stress for me, too much anxiety and all the shits. So the improvement in the last weeks has been just crazy. And of course the support, this personal thing of fixing the personal issue that you have is just like it's just amazing. So no, I'm more than happy with everything what is going on. I'm just a dojo believer, and yeah, I really enjoy all this process. And at the end of the day, like you made friends, you made people that is in the same mood and the same process with you, which increase all the learning process. So just chatting with them, talking in the chat, seeing what they're missing, see what you can help with, is just it's just more than enough to learn even faster.
Awesome, very nice. Yeah, I mean, 3 weeks a week. 3 weeks, 3 trades a week. That's if you can do that. That's and you can do how much you do make 17% on those 3 trades.
17%, yeah.
Yeah, I mean
Yeah,
that's
well,
that's good, right? Especially when you have like a bigger account, like that's gold. How long have you been trading overall?
4 months.
4 months. Wow.
Yeah,
Okay. I mean,
yeah.
you guys pretty much have the same knowledge I have at 3 or 4 years. So,
I know, yeah.
getting that amount of experience
In this
on a chart in
short,
that small time frame, that's crazy. Like for me
it's
personally,
crazy.
because a lot of times it'll take a couple of years or like a year at least to get to that point. But now we can
Mm-hmm.
we can skim all the BS and just focus on the good stuff, right?
On the real thing.
Yeah.
I was talking that with Brian because Brian is way more experienced than me, and we're chatting, and then yeah, we realized like what I've learned in this couple of weeks has been like what it usually takes 1 year or 2 years to be learned by a normal process. And to be honest, before starting BFT, I paid a mentorship of a guy that I saw on Instagram with millions of dollars on his account, all the bullshit. And I paid like $800 his mentorship, and I didn't learn like properly anything. So I was still lost. I was still anxious. I was still like fuck. I didn't know what I was doing. But then when that was like 3 weeks ago, BFT, then I just jumped into Breakfree Trading, and things start changing. And then as soon like 1 month after I was in BFT, I got the message of Dojo, And I think I texted you, I asked you like, hey, but Dojo is like, what is going on with Dojo? And then you told me like, yeah, we're gonna learn a bit more about charting, about like proper beyond just discovery and understanding levels. I was like, yeah, I want this. And I just didn't hesitate a minute after I chat with you to book the Dojo. So I didn't hesitate. I was like, I need this because I really wanted to learn it, but I was just lost in my mind. So I was pretty new, but this thing just put everything together pretty clear, pretty easy, pretty simple. And then I just full understood. I was like lighting up a candle on my trading brain to be able to see what is going on. And that it just has been just unbelievable. Like I'm
Okay.
so happy.
Were you a little skeptical when you came to BFT first? Because
Yeah,
remember you were
yeah,
a
no,
little
definitely.
you were sending some text in the chat.
Yeah, I know. I remember that because, like, unfortunately, from my home country, from Colombia, everything what you learn from trading is just bullshit. It's just like scamming and scams and network marketing, pyramidal schemes. Like, it's nothing real, and it's so hard to learn. So I was tired of all the scams that I was finding online. I found this mentor. I paid $700, and he was another like bullshit. So I was just tired of things, and then I just get into BFT, like my last hope, and then I lost my two first trades and I was like so frustrated. I'm like, fuck this is another bullshit. But then fortunately Asger like step up and he's like, hey man, relax, just fucking learn. And that's it. Like fucking follow the videos and then come back. So I talked with Dr. IQ that day and I'm like, okay, fuck, you guys are right. I'm gonna breathe, I'm gonna calm down, and I'm gonna start the process from scratch again. And I did that and I was like mind blowing for me. I'm like, oh right, yeah, these guys, they're right. And when I found out that it wasn't a scam, that it wasn't bullshit, so I was just like even happier. You know, I was like from hate to love is just one one little step. So I was like, I know I love this thing. It's the first no scam real thing I find on internet that is really worth the pennies I'm paying for it. So that was the change. Unfortunately, I came from a country that everything is just scam and mafia and shit. So it's hard to believe. It's hard to trust.
Okay, cool. Yeah,
But
that makes sense. Yeah, it was cool seeing that, from hate to love kind of transition.
yeah, definitely that's me. That's me.